Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a plane or face and entering sketch mode. This makes the text parametric and editable later. Once in Sketch, select the text tool and click where you want the baseline. You should set font, size, and justification up front because those control extrusion boundaries. Make sure to place reference geometry or dimensions so the text sits precisely. If needed, lock position with a coincident constraint. This early precision saves rework later. Once your sketch text is complete, finish the sketch and select the text profiles to extrude or use emboss for surface text. This converts 2D letters into 3D features. You will set depth and choose the operation, add if building up, cut if engraving, so think about material thickness and tooling. Use draft or taper if the part will be molded. If letters are too thin or too bold, go back and offset or scale the sketch strokes. Make sure fillets or chamfers maintain readability. To finish, combine the text feature with the target body using Boolean join or subtraction, depending on whether you want raised or engraved lettering. Once done, inspect edges and faces and add fillets or chamfers for manufacturing. If the operation fails, first verify the sketch profiles are closed and non-overlapping, then confirm the sketch plane orientation and units. These are common culprits. Finally, rebuild or roll back history to the sketch. Fix contours and replay the feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.